video has been sponsored by King Maps, 5Guard, and Just Scripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a medical center MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just have to scroll down over here, then click over here. Now you will redirect to the Tibet store. You just have to click over here and get the map into your CFX portal and download the map. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our file resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here, just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and this is the MLO which we have installed into our FiveM server, as you can see. And this is the location in the map over here. Now let's get inside the MLO. So this is the reception of the hospital over here. Now let's get over here. So we have washrooms over here. And this is the general ward of the hospital. And we have the functional elevator over here as well. So let's go to the second floor. This is the locker room. Now let's go to the helipad. So this is the helipad of the hospital. We also have a parking zone as well over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.